I have these pills, Tylenol cold. Actually, I did use anti-cough. It's really working. I did had a virus. Actually, it's RSV virus that will make me dry cough, and it's horrific. It's like someone uh, it's puncturing your throat with cloves or something like this. Is really really difficult, and this thing absolutely helped me get through that cough, several days coughing. And I would take one pill like this. So this says extra strong. I'm not sure what's the actually concentration. I would take at least every 8 hours one of these, like through the day and then before you go to bed as well. And the actual, still some a bit of it, actual ingredient for the coughing part. I'll try to focus this. It's going to be this one here. So the camera is not the best. Dex, whatever it says, Dextra, one of those medical names. Dextrametorph. I'm going to get a headache for this. Dextrometor, whatever. It's this one here, 10 milligrams. This medication has 10 milligrams in each pill. I could find other medications that would have 15 milligrams, but then it's already enough. It's the part that will prevent you from coughing. That's the French part of it. Obviously, there are a few other things in there, but it was really just for the coughing part.